Myself, Anil Parmato, lecturer in Inter Marwari College, Ranchi. Today we will discuss chemical bond. The chemical force which keeps the atom in any molecule together is commonly described as a chemical bond. Chemical bond may form first by transfer of electrons from the atom of an element to the atom or atoms of another. This gives rise to an ionic or electrovalent bond. Second, by mutually sharing the electrons, this gives rise to a covalent bond. Third, by one-sided sharing of electrons, this gives rise to a coordinate bond. First, electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Ionic bond is formed by the complete transfer of electrons, that is electropositive element plus electronegative element form ionic bond. Electropositive atom loses electrons, whereas electronegative atoms gain electrons. The atom which loses electron form cations, and the atoms which gain electrons form anion, and there exists a very strong electrostatic force of attraction between cation and anion, and this attractive force is known as ionic or electrovalent compound. Second, electrovalency, the number of electrons gained or lost by the atoms in the formation of ion is known as electrovalency of the atom. For example, in sodium chloride, electrovalency of sodium is 1 and chlorine is also 1. Favorable condition for the formation of ionic bond. First, ionization energy. For electropositive element, ionization energy should have lesser value. Electron affinity for electronegative element atom, electron affinity should be high. Lattice energy, as lattice energy increases, tendency to form ionic bond increases. Now, properties of ionic compound. Ionic compounds are hard, crystalline and brittle. Second, ionic compounds having high melting and boiling point. Third, in solid state they are bad conductor of electricity, but in molten state and in aqueous solution are good conductor of electricity. Fourth, ionic compounds are highly soluble in polar solvent like water. For the solubility of an ionic compound in water, it is necessary that hydration energy is greater than lattice energy. Fifth, the ionic compound is non-rigid and non-directional, thus electrovalent compound do not show space isomerism. Covalent bond. The bond formed by the mutual sharing of electrons between the combining atoms of the same or different element is called covalent bond. Favorable condition for covalent bond. First, the ionization energy and electron affinity of both atoms should have high value. Third, difference in electronegativity should be either 0 or close to 0. Now, properties of covalent compounds. Physical state, gaseous or liquid. This is due to fact that they have very weak force of attraction. Second, melting point low except diamond, silicon carbide and silica. Third, electrical conductivity, bad conductor of electricity. Solubility, in general, covalent compounds are insoluble in polar solvent but soluble in nonpolar solvent. Some covalent compounds like alcohol, amine soluble in water due to hydrogen bonding. And fifth, covalent compounds are rigid and directional, thus covalent compounds show space isomerism. Thank you.